my dear rock stars, welcome back to our reading class. In today's session, we are going to learn the first three letters in group 5. Shall we begin the class? The first letter is Z. What is the sound for Z? It is Z. 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 Repeat after me. Z. 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 Okay children, shall we sing the song for Z? Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. The second letter is W. What is the sound for W? It's W. 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 Repeat after me. W. 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 Shall we sing the song for W? I see the clouds moving. Wah wah wah. I see the kites flying. Wah wah wah. I see the trees blending. Wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Okay children, the third letter is N, G, Repeat after me. Shall we sing the song for If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say Okay children, keep practicing the songs. See you all in the next session. Bye.